Hey, I'm JordyT, and this is my crazy acting modeling life in Hollywood. It's Monday, Monday, happy Monday. Woo! I'm probably the only person in the world loving Mondays. I just got back from the gym, and on my way home, I stopped at CVS Pharmacy, where I dropped one. Where I bought cat food, Friskies. For cats. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I have a few homeless cats inside my house. And yes, I'm talking about you. And she's a few kids, but I think they're dead. Or somewhere else right now. So I bought cat food for them, and I'm gonna give them some food because they're starving. And they're really skinny and it's really sad. And I just really like cats, so I don't want them to die. Cause else I'll be like the cat lady in the videos who's like, there's so many cats. And I cannot have them all, and I love them all so much. I hope you guys saw that video. If not, go check it out, cause it's really funny. And here's a small tutorial on how to make cat food. You open the can, you add Tabasco. Just kidding, you don't add Tabasco. And you pour, gosh, it smells, what is this? Chicken and egg scramble. Let me assure that this really smells like egg scramble. You put it on the plate. Yummy. I'm so happy I'm not a cat. Oh gosh, it smells really bad. The smell is so strong that even the cats can smell it. Look at this. So now I'm gonna feed the cats. And to make the cats love me more, I'm gonna sing for them. Yes, I'm gonna sing for you guys. Don't cry for me, little pussycat. The truth is, I never left you all through my wild days. My mad existence. I kept my promise. Don't keep your distance. It's okay. I'm trying to love you guys. I don't think these cats understand how much I love them. You've been hit by something. Gosh, you really got attacked. Look at that. Oh, what is that? Come here. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Anyways, I'm gonna leave the cats alone because they're trying to eat. And where's the plate? And I'm kind of stalking them right now. Eat. Come eat. I'm hungry too. Should I? Let's share the food, you guys. Of course I'm not doing it. I got you there for a second. I stacked all the cat food so the cats will be happy to know that there's more food. Because, let's be honest, who has enough with one plate of food? I don't. I just get the cats extra food. I feel really sad for them because they're really skinny, and one cow is not enough. Sometimes I feel like I'm like Ghandi, but still alive.